So it's time to verify your website with Google. I've asked James from the image file to give us a quick run through of how to set it up if you get stuck. So just watch this quick tutorial and off you go.
In this short tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to verify your website with Google. The reason you would want to verify is because once you've verified your site, Google will give you various information about the visitors to your site and how long your visitors stay on your pages, which if you're blogging or vlogging is really important because that way you're going to help to reduce your bounce rate and help with your search engine optimization. It's really easy and most people already have a Google account, but if you don't have a Google account, you will need to create a Google account first. They're free, they take a couple of minutes to set up. So create a Google account first. Just go to Google and write in Google Webmaster Tools. And you'll get the Webmaster Tools result coming up on your page. And all we need to do is to click on Google Webmaster Tools and it'll ask you to log in. But if you don't have an account, then sign up for an account and you'll be able to do this very easily. So I need to log in to my Google account and it takes me through to my Webmaster Tools page. Now as you can see, at the moment I don't have anything in there, so it doesn't give me any information. If I already had other websites that were already verified, it would show them automatically on this page, but I am starting from scratch. It's a brand new Webmaster Tools account. And so what we're going to do now is add our site. So the first thing you've got to do is add in your domain name of your website. So add in your domain name. I've added in cuttingedgephotography.co.uk and then click on Add Site. It will give you various methods and you can see the recommended method is to actually set up something where you purchased your domain name. You add what's called a DNS record and you add it in there and then it will just automatically find it and it will give you information of how to do it on the actual page if it's a well-known domain name registrar that you're using. Another way of doing it is clicking on alternate methods. And if I click on there, you can see that you can upload a file into your website. So if you have control of uploading pages or files into your web area, then you can use it that way. An HTML tag, which is the way that I usually do it because I find it easiest, and within the system that I use, there is a special place for adding an HTML tag. Or you can use Google Analytics if you've already got Google Analytics, which is an analytical program telling you about your visitors and how long they stayed on your pages and all that sort of thing, or Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to set it up using an HTML tag, but you can use any of these different methods. When you click to use one, it will tell you what to do. So here it's telling me to add this meta tag into my web page, into my home page. So I'm just going to highlight over it, right click and copy, and then I'm going to go to my website and paste it in. Okay, so I'm now in the admin area of my own website. Now yours might be different depending on what platform you're using, whether it's WordPress or something like that, but you will find an area in most good web hosting companies where you can add, in my case, an HTML tag. So here I've got the Google HTML tag. I can just click in there and paste, and it will put that verification code into that box. Now what it's doing is Google will, when I click on verify in Google, Google will come to my website and see if they can see that piece of code. If they can see it, then it's proving to Google that I am the owner of this website, and it's really so that they're not giving loads of information that might be about your competitors to you or about your site to your competitors. So it's a way of them making sure that they're giving the information to the right people. So now that I've pasted that in, I can save all, and then if I go back to my Google Webmaster Tools account, you'll see at the bottom it says verify. So now that I've followed these instructions, I can click to verify and our site should be verified. So this is a page that we see. Congratulations, you've successfully verified the ownership. So Google went and looked at my home page, they saw that tag, they know that Cutting Edge Photography is mine, and it's letting me continue, which will now start to give me information about my site. All of this information, tied in with other things like Google Analytics, are going to help you see where your traffic is, how long they're staying on your pages, which pages are causing most interest, what to vlog on next. So keep watching the rest of the tutorials and you'll find out lots more. Have fun.